What's up, guys? Ryan with the MXG channel. I'm out here on the motocross track. Disced it up yesterday so I can get a good feel on this 2023 KX450SR. So much thanks to my buddy Corey Gillespie for letting me borrow this thing to get the feel of it. Did a turn track video yesterday. It's going to be a little moto track today. And we get to try out a Bridgestone Battle Axe 31. I've never ran I probably ran the old generation, the 30, but I've definitely never ran the 31 and don't have a lot of experience on Bridgestones to begin with. So yeah, if you want to see if a 38-year-old dad can enjoy the 2023 KX450SR, ride along with me. Tell you what, I like my stock WP stuff on the KTMs, but you know, this has got a lot of coatings. It's not base model stock, but it is still can buy this bike with this suspension. And so I have to say, this is probably the best suspension I've ever rode that you can literally just buy off the floor from your dealer. It's very compliant, very soft on top, and it's still progressive enough for me, even being heavier than the valving setup for. I find it okay. It leans over quite as quick or as far as the Yamaha, or nice as far as the Yamaha, the new gen, but definitely better than my KTM, and plenty good enough for my skill level. See if I can get the GPS going and get some metrics.